How could tomorrow night's meeting affect the stocks you own, and how could they affect stocks that at least one countdown closer says you should be owning right now? Bruderman Asset Management Chief Market Strategist Oliver Pursche is with us. Oliver, before we get to that, I need to ask you about the markets here. I would have thought we'd see some profit taking in this last couple of minutes. We're now jumping 206 points for the Dow Jones Industrials. What's in the psychology here?
Yeah, I think it's a lot of hope right now, but signs are fairly positive heading into the G20 meeting. And so the expectations are that now that Trump has formally signed the new USMCA agreement and is looking at having a deal with China and speaking positively, investors continue to buy into the rhetoric and are willing to accept that facts will come later. And I think that's what the market is reflecting right now.
Yeah, it's going to be an early dinner, I should let our viewers know, because everybody's chattering about it here in Buenos Aires, and something like 4 or 5 p.m. I mean, listen, it's definitely the early bird in Boca Raton, darling. But let's get to the names that you think could really be positioned well ahead of that meeting or whatever comes out of it.
Yeah, so, I mean, one of the names to look at for sure, and you spoke about it a little earlier in the program, is Apple. Apple is under threat of potential tariffs if a deal doesn't happen. If a deal does happen, I would think that Apple is going to perform very, very well. Lionel Bassett is a great industrial company that also has been performing well. But industrials and materials in general, which are very trade sensitive, should perform well. So those are sectors that I would be paying closest attention to come Monday morning.
Okay, so I'm looking at industrials and I'm looking at technology and I'm thinking there better be a deal, but I don't think that there will be anything more than an agreement to perhaps freeze or hold on what is supposed to happen January 1st. But President Trump keeps salting his conversations. Hey, if I can, I will raise those tariffs.
Yeah,
Go ahead, Oliver.
And the best thing that can happen for markets is that President Trump announced that he's holding off on any new tariffs right now, because progress has been made in the discussion.
Okay.
That's the best thing that can happen.
Okay.